Hi, and welcome to Soule Elementary. My name is Miss Berry, and I will be your second grade teacher this year. This is a picture of me and my family. That's my daughter Luna and my boyfriend Christian. This is my 4th year in education, and I completed my degree at Fort Hays State University. Here are some pictures that describe me. Again, there's a couple pictures of my family. That's Luna, the little girl. Just some good pictures to share. Here's our classroom this year. We will be creating class rules and expectations together once we're here in the classroom. COVID-19 rules and expectations: we will wear a mask during most times. We will stay spaced apart. We will clean our desks daily. We will wash our hands for 20 seconds. And please bring your own water bottle with a lid. Here's my contact information. You can always feel free to email me. I do use Remind for parent